Boom, game 3 with the crown victory. I got a 212, 215. We'll see if I can do a better game on this one. Surface is sanded to 3000. All right, what a good way to start, huh? I don't think I'm going to beat Packy's score of the 730, 740, but we'll see if I can get a pretty high 3-game series here. Nice, nice. So I brought the Motive Evoke Hysteria tonight to bowl. I got the Motive Crimson Jackal sanded to 3000 and the Deviate Dark Side sanded to 3000 as well too. We're gonna have some fun with practice tonight. Knocking them pins down. Maybe third time a charmer? Let's see. So we're dealing with post-league lane conditions. This is game 4 post-league. Said, damn, son. Ball's looking fire right now. So I think I have this layout at 64 1/4 by 30, if I'm not mistaken. There we go. Check it, check it. 5 in a row. $142 is what I paid for this ball after promo code. Just saying, not a bad deal. I went too low, too slow, crossed over on that one. No 300 tonight, folks. Sorry about that one. That's all my fault there. Went a little too slow. Well, bummer. I was hoping this would be my 300 ball. Got lucky with that 7-pin. We're looking pretty good except for that damn 6th frame. Ah! Always has to be one, doesn't it? bolt is absolute fire. Holy moly. All right, we're sitting on the 10th frame right now with 189. It was a wild one. It was a wild one. All right, I'm not even going to attempt this with my spare ball because I want to get it. All right, let's see what we got here. One more to go. See if I can't get a strike here. Well, that was a pretty ugly finish. All right, so we got the Crown Victory, and we put up a 255. So I consider that a clean game, besides the split at the very end. So not a bad game 3 for this ball. It consistently got better as it went. So let me know if you got the Crown Victory, if you like it, what your layout is, all that stuff, if you plan on getting it. And give me a like, comment, subscribe, all the fun stuff, and I will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching, everybody.